Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel ABAP Genius. In today's video, we will be discussing about structure and how to create a append structure. The transaction code for creating a structure is also S11. So just hit the S11 in the command window and you have to select the data type radio button and give the name of your structure. I'm giving some name and clicking on create. Here we will be having three different types which we can create. So now I am going with the structure because we are creating a structure and give the description for structure. One thing you would notice is here we don't have the key fields. So for structures, we won't be having any key fields. Only for tables, we will be having the key fields. You might think of like we have created a table. Again, we are creating a structure. What is the purpose of structure and what will be the difference between those two things? One thing I can say is like previously said, there is no key field. That means we can't store the data which is unique. And if you see the table, we can store multiple data, multiple records of data. But structure is not like that. It can hold only one record at a time. The data of that structure will be altered continuously. Like if you consider a table, the data will be permanent, all the data will be there. But in case of structure, it is not. Your data will be altered and it is not stored permanently. And you won't be having that mandate and all here. So let's just give some fields for your structure. I'm giving C student, so and this is the type and student type I'm giving as car 30 and C student ID. Here also you can create your data elements and domains. Just click on that one, click on this one, you have to select the data element and you have to enter your description for data element. Now I'm going with the built-in type. If you want to create the domain, you can create here also. If you don't know how to create a domain, watch out my previous video how to create a custom table. Then you will know how to create a domain. I will give the link in description. Data type, here I'm selecting some integer data type and I'm saving it in a local object. I have to maintain the field label and just copying the description whatever we have in all the fields and I'm activating. Okay, my data element is active now and I will give some student location also. I'm giving it as some character 250 or else I will give it as car 100 is enough. Okay, and I am saving this one and I am activating the structure. So if you see now your structure is active. So you will be able to create the structure by following these steps. And one more thing I would like to say here is how to create a append structure and why we have to create a append structure. If you are creating a custom structure, then there is no need to create a append structure. But if you have to add some of the fields in your standard tables, then we will be going with the append structure. I can't take risk in my system to add the fields in the standard table now. I will just show you how it will look like, and I will create the append structure in this custom structure only so that you can follow the same process in your standard table also. First I'm going to this standard table and I'm going to VBAK and I'm clicking in the append structure. See, we have three append structures created, and this is the append structure we have created, and this is the field we have. So, if you execute this table, the append structure field will also be added to your table output. Now, I will create the append structure for my first table, whatever I have created. How you have to do? Here you have to click on append structure and you have to give some append structure name. See, here we are getting some data, some warning message, and you have to give the description. Save in your local object, but you can't add the fields here. The reason is I will show you. Because if you go to your enhancement category in extras, it is as not classified. To add the append structure, it should be can be enhanced type. So you are not able to, you have just created the append structure, but you are not unable to create the fields in that append structure. If you see here, there is no append structure at all created. I'm just going here. This is the append structure we have created, but no fields at all. See, it is giving the warning messages cannot be enhanced. So what you have to do is go to your table, go to change mode and extras enhancement category, and you have to select the option can be enhanced deep. If you select the option can be enhanced character like or numeric, it will allow you to create the fields which are character and numeric type only, but it won't allow you other decimal fields like that. So to available like to maintain the fields whatever we need without restriction, I'm going with this first option. Copy and activate it. Now your table is activated. Now go to your append structure, click on that append structure and go to change mode. Now you will be able to add the fields. Now I wanted to add some student marks. So I'm giving it as int4 and I am saving and I am activating. Okay, these are warnings, no need. Just go back and click on that contents. If you see here, your table has this student marks also available now. And if you execute this one, so this is how you can create your append structure and try on your own. And if you face any difficulties while creating your append structure to your table, or if you are facing any errors between, do comment below. I will be answering to your comments. And if you like this video and if you found this video useful, please do hit the like button and share with your colleagues or friends, and do subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos.